Hello, my name's Trish Dent and I'm passionate about fermentation. I love fermented foods, both making them and eating them. And I've been teaching fermentation workshops both live and online over the past 10 years. Fermented foods are natural probiotics, boosting our gut microbiome and improving digestion, immune function, and feel-good serotonin. They have many other health benefits. They are rich in vitamins as well as healthful enzymes. In my fermentation workshop, I'll show you how to make two very different fermented foods. The first is my easy Suffolk kimchi, made with pointy cabbage, or you can use other cabbages, and other vegetables, and it's flavored often with ginger and garlic, perhaps with chili as well. And it makes use of naturally occurring wild bacteria on the vegetables. And so the crucifery, cabbages in particular, are really rich in a range of wild bacteria. And we make use of these and augment them during the fermentation process. You'll be finding more about that in my workshop. The second ferment that I'm going to show you in the workshop is natto. It's made using cooked soya beans, and it's a very different process using spores of a specific bacterium. Follow my guidelines and you'll soon be making your own fresh natto. It's simple and delicious. So I look forward to meeting you at one of my future workshops. For more details, go to www.trishdent.co.uk and you'll find details of my workshops and how to book. Look forward to meeting you then. Bye for now.